All right, next up, we've got a couple of gentlemen here that I'm proud to introduce. We've got Lucas Diaz and Jim Mccarthy. And what I like about this segment here is they'll be uncovering a real world scenario. We've talked a lot about use of AI, how it's transforming, how it's making us more efficient, responsible use of AI, and what we need to consider as we're implementing it with our organizations. But today we're going to hear about a real world use case and how it's literally, how Copilot and AI has literally transformed how services are delivered to customers. And so please join me in welcoming up to the stage here Jim Mccarthy, who's Chief Technology and Supply Chain Officer at Vixxo, and also Lucas Diaz, Managing Partner at Ludia Consulting, and they'll be discussing these real world scenarios. So gentlemen, welcome to the stage.
Is that together, Ludia with Microsoft, right? We have that constant communication on a daily basis with regards to the product team as to what they're doing, Copilot in different areas, whether it's project operations, field service, and so on. And also Microsoft, and we created Microsoft and Vixxo as part of the implementation. They have fast track with the engineering involvement. So that's one of the things that we did. We made sure that fast track and Microsoft and Vixxo were working together really, really close.
And then in January, one of our technicians, actually one of our senior technicians in the field, he's actually a technician trainer, had reached out to me on Teams and said, "Hey Jim, what are we doing about AI?" I said, "Funny you asked that. We're trying to figure that out right now." He goes, "Well, I'll tell you what I did. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do this, but I did it anyways." But he took ChatGPT and loaded one of our technician manuals for one of our pieces of equipment into it, and then began asking it questions within his, 30 questions or whatever you get in there. And he was able to ask it a question based upon it reading the manual. It gave him some correct data and some incorrect. The other big challenge that we face is the data is disconnected across our customer base, across the partner network that does our work. So how do we mobilize that data and get it actionable and get that data connected across multiple systems so we can be informed of the problems that are going on with our customers? Actually, this is the use case that our technician actually developed himself, and we're recreating it in our actual case today. But at the end result, there can be 7 different parts within the application, within the unit that could be the cause of the grinder motor not working. So the challenge for us is, right, hey, how do I make a troubleshooting guide, step by step, that is interactive with the technician, so that he doesn't have to go whip out his manual. Now, when I say whip out his manual, it's not 25 years ago when I was working.